Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by combining clear glue and shaving cream to create fluffy base. Use one glue to shaving cream for consistent volume. Once done, add a few drops of dye and stir slowly so color distributes without overmixing. This preserves stretch. Make sure to activate gradually. Dissolve borax in water or add contact solution a little at a time, because activating too fast ruins texture. Position your camera now to capture the mixing action from above, and you continue by testing texture. Pull a small portion and watch how it stretches. If it tears, add activator in 0.25 teaspoon increments. Once you reach pull without brittleness, fold in foam beads or clay in stages so they distribute evenly and avoid deflating the foam. Make sure to knead for 3-5 minutes to develop shine and reduce stickiness. This also integrates add-ins. When filming this middle section, switch to close-up macro for asthma pops and narrate tactile cues so viewers know what to expect. You finish by kneading until the surface is glossy and the beads are evenly embedded. This creates satisfying visuals. Once done, record slow pulls and pokes with a steady mic to capture asthma. Use a clean container for packing shots. If slime is too sticky, add a pea-sized amount of lotion and knead. If it's too stiff, warm it in your hands for 2 minutes or add a drop of water and rework. Finally, label the video clips for smooth editing and quick pacing transitions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.